Have you heard of the white string legend that's been making rounds on TikTok? It's a creepy urban legend that originated from Japan about a girl who found a white string in her ear piercing and ended up snipping her optic nerve when trying to remove it, causing her to go blind. Another variation involves a person finding a white string in their nipple piercing and experiencing excruciating pain after snipping it off. However, this legend is completely fake and implausible because the optic nerve is not connected to the ear or any type of piercing. Optic nerve disorders can affect vision, but they don't manifest as a white string. If you're planning to get an ear piercing, make sure to go to a professional piercer to avoid infection and follow aftercare instructions like washing your hands before handling the piercing, cleaning it daily with a gentle, unscented soap, and coating the piercing site with petroleum jelly to keep it moist. If you suspect that your piercing is infected, visit a doctor to get a second opinion and follow their treatment suggestions. It usually takes 2 to 6 months for a piercing to fully heal.